This is going to be a product review of the BUJEKI, B-U-J-E-K-I, I believe. This is their third generation adjustable stand for the Echo Dot. Now, I've done a whole bunch of reviews on stands, and you need a stand that is really stable and secure for your dot. And you don't want it to take up a lot of space. So this comes in 4 pieces. We're going to put this together. We're going to put the dot inside here, and we're going to see how it works. On the bottom, we have rubber pads to prevent it from sliding around. On the grip at the top, we have silicone fingers so that it will not scratch your Echo Dot. So let's put this together. The first step, we are going to take this piece, insert it in. So going a certain way. It's got some pressure feet, and then we're going to turn it to the right. It already snapped in place. You heard that snap in place. That's not going anywhere. That is step 1. The next step, I believe we're going to put this nut over here, and then we are going to place this. Again, we have some snap fingers over here. We're going to place that, and then we are going to take the nut. I want you to see what I'm doing, and make sure you line it up carefully so that you do not strip the plastic threads. So let me tighten this down. And this is why this stand is absolutely awesome. Look at this. 360 degrees of control. So you can turn it this way. You point it wherever you want the sound to go. So I'm going to tighten down the nut over here so that it turns, but it's not too tight. And now I'm going to get the Echo Dot out. So what you will do is you'll take your Amazon Dot, you will place it into the fingers over here. You will take your power cord, you'll put it in through the bottom, you will slide it out through the opening here, you will plug the cord into your Amazon Dot, and then you will be able to position this in any direction you want. The price of this is so reasonable. You don't want to leave these things on your counter. You don't want to leave your Amazon Dot on one of those wall brackets. It's just a hassle. With this, you place this anywhere you want, on your desk, on your kitchen counter, on a table. Turn it to however you want, and you've got a really nice bracket that's going to hold your Amazon Dot, and it is going to allow you to direct the microphones and the speaker where you are going to be. So this is a really good product. Again, it's made by B-U-J-E-K-I. I believe it's BUJEKI. And check out the description of the video. I will leave a link there. You can click on that and purchase this today. It's a really neat product. Very lightweight. It's not going to slide. It's not going to go anywhere. And again, the cool thing, 360 degrees. I haven't seen any that have a 360 degree bracket. And it just takes seconds to put together.